Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nana's Hidden Apron. Today we're going to make some Spanish style rice. Come on. First thing we're going to do is set us a pot there, and I'm going to put just a little bit of butter in there, melt it down. I'm just going to cook down these veggies just a little bit. I've got some an orange pepper, green pepper, onion, some garlic. I'm just going to push all of that in to the pot of butter. And let that cook down just a little bit. Not much though. We don't want our veggies to burn. Turn the heat down a little bit. I'm going to put a little salt in that. Just a little sprinkling of salt. Just a pinch. Give this another stir. And then we're going to add some water to it. 2 cups of water. And you can use any broth that you want to. Chicken broth, the tomato broth, whatever you want to use. But we're going to go ahead and pour that in there. Again, that was 2 cups. And then we're going to pour in 1 cup of rice. And we're going to put in 1/4 cup of black beans. This can of tomatoes, juice as well. It's a 14-ounce can. Just stir it around. The juice of half of a lime. Now we're going to start adding some seasoning to it. 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. 1/2 teaspoon of smoky paprika. And we'll do 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder. Then we're going to put some cilantro. You can use fresh cilantro when you're finished cooking it. I don't have any, so I'm using the dehydrated. And that was about 1 teaspoon. We're going to let this cook until the rice is, well, first of all, we're going to stir it. And then we're going to let it cook until the rice is completely done. And we'll see how it tastes. Okay, there's the finished product. Now we're serving this with chicken tacos, and we're gonna have another vlog on that. And if you have not subscribed yet, I hope that you will. Click that notification bell. Well, click the subscribe button first, but also click that notification bell so you know every time we get new content. I'm gonna get Tom to hold his plate over here, and we're gonna put some on there for him, and then he's gonna give it a taste. There we go. It's very hot. Whew. Is it spicy enough?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Oh,
Is this
yeah.
good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. There you go, guys.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So you all take care, and we'll see you next time. Bye.